Pranams to everyone. Sarvebhyah Harda Swagatam to this session of Shalita Sahasranama Stotram chanting. Let us start with Guru Vandanam Dhyanam. We will chant first 3 verses and then we will learn the new verses for the day. And the last part of the class, we will have a revision. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. Dhyanam. Let us meditate upon Sri Lalita Parameshwari. सिन्दूरारुणविग्रहान् त्रिनयनां माणिक्यमौलिस्फुरत् तारानायकशेखरां स्मितमुखीमापीनवक्षोरुहां पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. श्रीमात्रे नमः. अरुणाङ्करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानी. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेम पद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसिते क्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यभूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुरान् जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्. श्रीमात्रे नमः. श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता बुद्ध्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला. Let us go to the 177th verse. I'll share the screen again. the new verse for the day. Let me first read it out and then we can chant it. Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. In Bandhuka, dha is a Mahaprana-akshara. Kusuma prakhya, we have th and ya. Th here is a Mahaprana. Bala, Leela Vinodini, Sumangali, Sukhakari, again Kha is a Mahaprana. Suveshadhya, Sha, Shanmukha Sha, Dha is a Mahaprana. Suveshadhya, Suvasini. Bandhuka kusuma prakhya.
Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bandhuka kusuma prakhya.
Bala Leela Vinodini.
Bala Leela Vinodini. Bala Leela Vinodini.
Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bala Leela Vinodini.
Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bala Leela Vinodini. Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bala Leela Vinodini.
Sumangali Sukhakari.
Sumangali Sukhakari. Sumangali Sukhakari.
Suveshadhya Suvasini.
Suveshadhya Suvasini. Suveshadhya Suvasini.
Sumangali Sukhakari. Suveshadhya Suvasini.
Sumangali Sukhakari. Suveshadhya Suvasini. Sumangali Sukhakari. Suveshadhya Suvasini.
Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bala Leela Vinodini. Sumangali Sukhakari. Suveshadhya Suvasini.
Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bala Leela Vinodini. Sumangali Sukhakari. Suveshadhya Suvasini. Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bala Leela Vinodini. Sumangali Sukhakari. Suveshadhya Suvasini.
Bandhuka kusuma prakhya. Bala Leela Vinodini. 3 names in the first line and 4 names in the second line of this verse, which makes it 7. So let us move to the next one. I will read it out first. Suvasinyarchana Prita Shobhana. So if we split this, Suvasinyarchana Prita Ashobhana. So in this, Bha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Shuddha Manasa, we have Alpaprana Da as well as Mahaprana Dha. Shuddha Manasa, Bindu Tarpana Santushta. The last part, the Sha here is Shanmukha Sha, and we have Alpaprana Ta. बिन्दुतर्पण सन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता
सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता
सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना
सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना
शुद्धमानसा
शुद्धमानसा शुद्धमानसा
सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा
सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा
बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा
बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा
पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
जा त्रिपुराम्बिका पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका
Kshamyatam, I was on mute. Suvasinyarsana is one name. Ashobhana is the other name. And Shuddha Manasa is the third name in the first line of this verse. However, when we are chanting, we are going to chant together the first two names. Then in the second line, we have 3 more names. So we have totally 6 names in this verse. (179) Dashamudra Samaradhya. Dashamudra Samaradhya. Dha is a Mahaprana. That is the last part in Samaradhya. Dha is a Mahaprana Akshara. Tripura Shri Vashankari. Jnana Mudra. Jnana Gamya. Jnanagneya Swarupini. दशमुद्रा समाराध्या
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या दशमुद्रा समाराध्या
त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी
त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानमुद्रा
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी
दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी.
So in the first line, we have 2 names, and in the second line, we have 3 names in this verse. So let's move to the next one. Yoni Mudra Trikhandeshi. In Trikhandeshi, we have Alpaprana Ta, Ra in 3, and Kha is a Mahapranakshara. We have Na and Alpaprana Da. Trikhandeshi, Trigunamba, Trikonaga, Yoni Mudra, Trikhandeshi, Trigunamba, Trikonaga, Anaghadbhuta Charitra. In Anagha, Gha is a Mahapranakshara. And then we have Alpapranad. Anaghadbhuta, Bha is a Mahaprana. Anaghadbhuta Charitra. Vanchitartha Pradayini. In Vanchitartha, Cha is a Mahaprana. And again, the next letter immediately after Cha, that is Vanchita, Ta Alpaprana. And the next Ta is a Mahaprana. So it is Vanchitartha Pradayini. Yoni Mudra Trikhandeshi.
Yoni Mudra Trikhandeshi. Yoni Mudra Trikhandeshi.
Trigunamba Trikonaga.
त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा
वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी
योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी.
So in this verse, in the first line, we have four names. Yoni Mudra is one name, Trikhandeshi is one name, and we have Trigunamba as one name. In Trigunamba, sorry, Kshamyatam, Trigunamba, we have Triguna and Amba. So Yoni Mudra, Trikhandeshi, Triguna, Amba, and Trikonaga. We have five names. Anaghadbhuta Charitra, in that we have Anagha and Adbhuta Charitra are two different names. And then we have Vanchitartha Pradayini. So I'll repeat. So in the first line we have Yoni Mudra, Trikhandeshi, Triguna, Amba and Trikonaga, which makes it five names. And in the second line we have Anagha, Adbhuta Charitra, Vanchitartha Pradayini, which makes it three names. So we have totally 8 names in this verse. Let us move to the, we have, as you all know, we have another 3 verses left. I will complete till another 2 verses today. And the last verse and the closing part I will teach in the last class. So let us do the 181. Abhyasatishayajnata. So in Abhyasatishayajnata, Bha is a Mahaprana-akshara. Shadadhvatita Rupini, Sha, Shanmukha, Sha, and we have Dha Mahaprana. Shadadhvatita Rupini, अव्याज करुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अव्याज करुणामूर्तिः and Ajnana Deepika. The in Dhvanta, the is a Mahapranakshara. But however, the second line we will chant together. Avyaja Karunamurti Rajnana Dhvanta Deepika. Abhyasatishayagnata.
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता
षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
षडध्वातीतरूपिणी षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिः
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिः अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिः
अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका
अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्तदीपिका.
So in the first line, we have two names. In the second line also, we have two names. The split is Avyaja Karunamurtihi and Ajnana Dhvanta Deepika. However, second line we will be chanting together. So let us move to the next verse. Abala Gopa Vidita. Abala Gopa Vidita. Sarvanullangya Shasana. In Sarvanullangya, la is double. If you can see that, Sarvanullangya, gha is a Mahaprana. Shri Chakra Raja Nilaya, Shrimat Tripura Sundari. Shri Chakra Raja Nilaya, Shrimat Tripura Sundari. Abala Gopa Vidita.
आबालगोपविदिता आबालगोपविदिता
सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीचक्रराजनिलया
श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी
श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी.
Sai Smriti, you can chant after me the entire verse. Abalagopavidita sarvanullangya shasana Shrichakrarajanilaya Srimattripurasundari.
गोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी.
So in this verse, in the first line, we have two names, and in the second line, we have two names. So Abalagopavidita is one name, Shri Sarvanullangya Shasana is another name, Shri Chakrarajanilaya and Srimat Tripura Sundari. So we have four names. So the last class we did from 173rd verse. So let us once chant from 173 to 182 as a revision, and then I will request attendees for chanting practice. Vishwamata Jagadhatri Vishalakshi Viragini Pragalbha Paramodara Paramoda Manomayi Vyomakeshi Vimanastha Vajrini Vamakeshwari Panchayagna Priya Panchapreta Manchadhishayini Panchami Panchabhuteshi Panchasankhyopacharini Shashwati Shashwataishwarya Sharmada Shambhumohini Dharadhara Suta Dhanya Dharmini Dharmavardhini लोकातीता गुणातीता सर्वात्मिका बन्धुककुसुमप्रख्या बालालीला विनोदिनी सुमङ्गली सुखकरी सुवेशाढ्या सुवासिनी सुवासिन्यर्चनप्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पणसन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका दशमुद्रा समाराध्या त्रिपुरा श्रीवशङ्करी ज्ञानमुद्रा ज्ञानगम्या ज्ञानज्ञेयस्वरूपिणी योनिमुद्रा त्रिखण्डेशी त्रिगुणाम्बा त्रिकोणगा अनघाद्भुतचारित्रा वाञ्छितार्थप्रदायिनी अभ्यासातिशयज्ञाता षडध्वातीतरूपिणी अव्याजकरुणामूर्तिरज्ञानध्वान्त दीपिका आबालगोपविदिता सर्वानुल्लङ्घ्य शासना श्रीचक्रराजनिलया श्रीमत्त्रिपुरसुन्दरी. So, let me reshare my screen so that I want you all to practice the Dhyana shlokas also. So, and then we will come back to 177th verse. So, before we start with this, I just have a couple of things to share with you all. One, last class, if you remember, you had filled a Google form wherein you had given a feedback about the script and the meanings that you are seeing, etc. So, if any of you have not yet filled a form, please do so today. You would have got a mail to your registered email ID with a link, so you can fill the form from there also. The second thing is, in the next class, that is on Friday, we will chant the entire Sahasranama once, so that it becomes another round of practice for all of us. So it will be mostly the way I'm planning it is, I will chant once and the panelist will repeat once, so which will also help you to revise the complete Sahasranama. And the last date for the class, I will let you know in the next class. I will announce it in the next class. And after that, you after the last class, you will have some time to do the revision, practice, etc. You will get details on your registered mail ID with respect to the assessment, when and the date, timings, etc., the process, everything. You will also get a little more brief on the assessments, etc., during the last class also. So the next few classes is going to be important. So please do not miss the class. This is a humble request from my side. So these are the three things that I wanted to share with you. So any other questions, doubts, etc., please feel free to send me an email on the mail ID sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com, which I guess you all are having it now with you. So in case if you do not have, I'll put a message in the chat. So you can send me a mail on this. So let me call out the attendees. Okay, so before I call out, just one thing I wanted to clarify. Yes, Nyasam, the beginning part also, we will do it. So when I do it in the next class, that is when we chant, we will do with the Nyasam. And Phalashruti is not, we are not covering the Phalashruti in this class. It is only the Nyasam, the Sahasranama and the completion shloka, that's it. So we are not doing the Phalashruti. Okay, let me call out the attendee names. Saumya Tokala Bhagini, first Dhyana Shlokam.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Maybe the raga might be different.
Sindur Aruna Vigraham, can you chant? You are able to see my screen?
Vigrahanti nayanam mahikya-maulisphuratu taranayaka-shekharam vitamukhi ma.
So what you can do is, you can take a pause after Shekharam and chant the next part together. Taranayaka Shekharam Smitamukhi Mapinavakshoruham.
Taranayaka-shekharam mitamukhi mapi navakshoruham.
Go ahead. Panibhyamalipurnaratnachashakam.
Panibhyamalipurnaratnachashakam rattotphalam bibhratim saumyam ratnagatastharattacharanam dhyayet paramambikam.
Okay. So, in the first line, Bhagini, Manikya Maulis Puratu. Pa here is a Mahapranaksara.
Thanks.
Dhanyavada. V. Jayashankar Mahodaya. Can you chant the next verse, Arunam? Jayashankar Mahodaya.
महोदय नमस्ते.
Namaste. Arunam.
अरुणाङ्करुणातरङ्गिताक्षीं धृतपाशाङ्कुशपुष्पबाणचापाम् अणिमादिभिरावृतां मयूखैः अहमित्येव विभावये भवानीम्.
Tamam. So in this case, just as a revision, I'm pointing this out for the benefit of all. So Arunam, we have Anuswara and we have Ka. So we can chant this as Arunam Karuna Tarangitakshim. So if we are taking a pause after Tarangitakshim, we can chant the Anuswara completely, the way I'm chanting now. Arunam Karuna Tarangitakshim Dhritapashankusha Pushpa Bana Chapam. Okay. Suppose we are not taking a pause after this Arangitakshim and we are going to continue. Then Arunam Karuna Tarangitakshim Dhritapashankusha Pushpa Bana Chapam. So in that case, Since there is an Anuswara and we have Dha, which is the letter in Tavarga, the Anuswara gets replaced by fifth letter of Tavarga, which is Na. So, Arunang Karuna Tarangitaksheen Dhruta Pashankusha Pushpa Bana Chapam. So, together if you are chanting. Else you can take a pause and chant. Same in the next line, we have an Anuswara and Ma. So, in this case, there is no worry. So, Animadibhira Vrutam Mayukhairahamityeva Vibhavaye Bhavani. You can chant together or you can take a pause after Mayukhaihi because it will be difficult to chant the entire line together. If you're taking a pause, please chant this as Mayukhaihi Visarga and then Ahamityeva. So this is how we will chant. So let us move to the Dhanyavadaha Mahodaya, Jayashankar Mahodaya. Pushpa BS Bhagini Dhyayet.
Namaste Bhagini.
Namaste.
Dhyayet, one minute. Dhyayet Padmasanastham Vikasita Vadanam Padmapatrayatakshim Hemabham Pitavastram Karakalita Lasadbhe. I am not able to read.
No problem. I will chant once you can repeat after me. Dhyayet Padmasanastham
Dhyayet Padmasanastham
Vikasita Vadanam
Vikasita-vadanam
Padmapatrayatakshim
Padmapatrayatakshim
Hemabham Pitavastram
Hemabham Pitavastram
Karakalitalasadhema Padmam Varangim
Karakalitalasadhema Padmam Varangim
Sarvalankara Yuktam
Sarvalankarayuktam
Satatamabhayadam
Satatamabhayadam
Bhaktanam Ram Bhavani
Bhaktanam Ram Bhavani
Hema Shri Vidyam Shantamurtim
Shri Vidyam Shantamurtim
Sakala Suranutam Sarvasampat Pradatri
Sakala Suranutam Sarvasampat Pradatrim.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Thank you.
Meenakshi, can you chant this entire verse with focus on Anuswara rule?
Yes, ma'am. ध्यायेत् पद्मासनस्थां विकसितवदनां पद्मपत्रायताक्षीं हेमाभां पीतवस्त्रां करकलितलसद्धेमपद्मां वराङ्गीं सर्वालङ्कारयुक्तां सततमभयदां भक्तनम्रां भवानीं श्रीविद्यां शान्तमूर्तिं सकलसुरनुतां सर्वसम्पत्प्रदात्रीं.
Dhanyavadaha. Vatsala Krishnamani, I have unmuted you. Vatsala Krishnamani Bhagini. We are not able to hear you. Okay, I'll move to the next person. Anybody who has not got a chance at all till date, please put a message on the chat window. Whoever have not got it, have not been able to chant even in one class. Okay. Let me call out those names today. Others, please do not mind. Sujit Mahodaya. You have
Hari Om.
unmuted.
Ram, Ram, Ram.
Hari Om. Ram Ram Ram. Could you please chant this one?
सकुङ्कुमविलेपनामलिकचुम्बिकस्तूरिकां समन्दहसितेक्षणां सशरचापपाशाङ्कुशाम् अशेषजनमोहिनीमरुणमाल्यां भूषाम्बरां जपाकुसुमभासुराञ्जपविधौ स्मरेदम्बिकाम्.
Uttamam. Mahodaya, in the third line, okay? Here, if we are chanting this together, Ashesha Janamohini Marunamalya Bhushambaram. Okay? I hear some, okay, I'm just, somebody is on Vatsala Bhagini, I guess. Okay. Kshamyatam Sujit Mahodaya. There was some disturbance. I'm just, So if you are chanting this third line together without pause, Ashesha Janamohini Marunamalya Bhushambaram is one way. In case if you are not able to chant without taking a break, it is very difficult then. Ashesha Janamohini Arunamalya Bhu Kshamyatam Arunamalya Bhushambaram. Arunamalya. Mohini, pause, and then Arunamalya. However, I suggest this line can be chanted easily together. So don't make it as Mohini and Marunamalya. It is Mohini Marunamalya. Dhanyavadaha Sujit Mahodaya. It's for everyone, for the benefit of all. Who else? I'm just seeing who else.
Can you hear
Raj.
me, ma'am? Vatsala, this is Vatsala.
Yes, I can hear you, Bhagini. Just give me 1 second. I'll reshare my screen.
Okay.
Okay. Vatsala Bhagini, can you please chant this 177th verse?
1 minute, ma'am. Let me take it. 170.
177.
Okay. Is it Banduka? Is it Banduka?
Correct.
Banduka Kusuma Prakya Bala Leela Vinodini. See, I'm not getting the tune because I was in the Dhyana mode.
Okay. Okay. So whenever you have a problem like that, you can chant the first verse in your mind and then you can start. Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya Bala. Like that. Okay. Continue.
Bandhuka Kusuma Prakya Bala Leela Vinodini Sumangali Sukhakari Suveshadhya Suvasini.
Tamam. Dhanyavadaha. Raj Rajendran Mahodaya. I have unmuted you. Can you chant the 178th verse? Vatsala Bhagini, please go on mute. Okay. Raj Rajendran Mahodaya, I have unmuted you. Okay, we are not able to hear you. Who else has not got a chance? Please let me know. Raj Mahodaya, we are still not able to hear you. Okay. Asha Nambiar Bhagini. I have unmuted you.
Ram Ram Ram.
Asha, Ram Ram Ram.
सुवासिन्यर्चन प्रीता शोभना शुद्धमानसा बिन्दुतर्पण सन्तुष्टा पूर्वजा त्रिपुराम्बिका.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Raj Mahodaya, Raj Rajendran, I have unmuted you again. Are you able to hear me now? Okay. Let me move to the next person. Kshamyata Mahodaya. I think, yeah, I will. What is the time? I think we are past 8 o'clock. So anyway, we will just chant the at least 178th verse. Anuja. Anuja, I have unmuted you. Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, 179 or 78? 178.
178.
Okay. Suvasinarchana Prita Shobhana Shuddhamanasa Bindu Tarpana Sandushta Purvaja Triburambika.
Okay. I will chant once. Would you like to repeat after me?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Suvasinyarchana Prita Shobhana Shuddhamanasa.
Suvasinarchana Prita Shobhana Shuddhamanasa.
Okay. So here pa is getting doubled. Okay. So notice carefully. Suvasinyarchana Prita.
Prita. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Okay. Ma'am, shall I try once more?
Yes, yes.
Suvasinarchana Prita Shobhana Shuddhamanasa
Bindu Tarpana Santushta
Bindu Tarpana Sandushta
Purvaja Tripurambika.
Purvaja Trigurambika.
Dhanyavadaha Bhagini.
Dhanyavad.
Again, for the benefit of everyone. So, if you notice in this, Suvasin Yarchana Prita. Suvasin Yarchana Prita. So, pa is getting, Dvitvam is there. And sometimes, you know, with many of us, it happens due to our regional influences. We tend to use sound like, you know, ka can be sounding as ga, or sometimes sh, sa mix up will happen. So, we need to just carefully observe those places. If you want, you know, you can underline with a pencil, you know, that's how we used to learn. Wherever if you are using a book, then we used to underline the Mahapranaksharas. So when we practice, when we are reading, it is very easy to remember and identify. And similarly for sha and sa, you may want to circle it so that you know the difference. Because once we learn something, if we have not learned it correctly, it is very difficult to unlearn that and correct ourselves, you know, something which is learned already. So try to be little more mindful about that when you are learning, so that it is easy when you, not only for Lalita Sahasranamam, for any other stotram that you would have learned or you would be learning in the future. So with this, I'll close today's class. Let us meet on Friday. And again, just a reminder, please fill up that Google link feedback form. And in case of any questions or doubts, please write a mail to me. I've shared my mail ID in the chat. And for WhatsApp link also, in case if you're not able to join the group, please put a mail to me. I'll send you the link out there. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते. Pranams to everyone. Ram Ram Ram.
धन्यवादः भगिनी.
धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादाः भगिनी. Thank you.
धन्यवादाः.